Today we're going to go over a few common driving mistakes that lead to crashes when people least expect them, why extra caution is needed in the rain, how accidents can happen in seconds, and why using your mirrors when reversing really matters. Let's break down what went wrong and what could have prevented it. First, we have someone pulling out in the wrong lane and nearly getting hit from behind. And here we have it again, where someone else on the road think they own all the lanes. This is a good example why you shouldn't be on your phone whilst driving, or to make sure you get your brakes checked.
Oh my God.
Next, we have an unexpected three-car collision. The red car takes a turn without looking and causes a mini pileup. Two eager drivers in this clip. Man versus cyclist. This one doesn't matter who is right because no one likes cyclists anyway.
Stop sign!
Next, we have another one where it's lucky. The camera car has good brakes. Otherwise, the guy in the red car wouldn't be acting so smug still. Next, we have another impatient driver trying to overtake in the same lane. Some people don't know what personal space is.
So I posted a quick little reel on our Instagram and sort of
If you didn't even see that part of the game, it was me who told you I think she cheats.
You just ran up the fucking shoulder. I have you on DASHCAM.
Yeah, I know, but
Take a guess which car is going to cause an accident.
Just a really good team.
Bet you didn't guess that one. Here we have a couple yappers whilst the truck slowly comes into their lane.
Oh shit.
what are you doing, bro?
He's still turning.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? What is going on? Fuck you.
Yeah, no, I'm taking a picture.
Fuck you.
I forgot you got the dash cam and everything.
A smart car with a not-so-smart driver. Another thing I've realized is the bigger the car, the blinder the driver. This next driver is either falling asleep at the wheel or drunk, I can't tell, but it will be an expensive mistake.
Almost as if they were a split personality, caught between two loyalties, and more, caught between two eras. In those days, he could still be part of the planning of the bombing, but be a very different man in the evening, going to dinner parties, raising a glass to someone.
Risky lane switches during wet weather at nighttime is always a bad combination.
Something like that. It's really bad, and they think you're a terrorist, and they won't give you any. It's just crazy. The whole thing is crazy, and you can see that banking is on the way out. We all know this.
What are you doing?
Your biggest
What
bill,
the fuck?
Live up in New
Get
York
the
City.
fan, John, you
That's
crazy?
like a coffee.
What are you doing?
For $100, and nobody wants the cash.
Are you
so we know
crazy?
that part's dead. Then you don't really.
The camera driver in this clip had to pull out his inner rally driver. Let's take a break for a quick game of chicken.
Jesus Christ, dog.
Back in the UK, we have the camera driver letting silver car pull out. Then the orange van tries to snake a free pass.
Oh my god. What on earth was that? Okay, interesting.
Here we have another case of bigger. The car blinder, the driver. At least he says sorry. Next, we have a small collision due to being blind.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Hit and run time next. A Jeep pulls in front of the camera car and reverses into him before driving off.
Fucking hell, man! What the fuck? Are you hitting me? Shit, I'm not. Ooh.
The silver car in this clip decides to play bumper cars. Watch on the left side of the road. The car nearly hits the guy crossing the road. Main character over here missed his exit and nearly causes a pileup. We have a white truck pulling out without looking for headlights in the dark.
Oh my God.
Two eager cars nearly cause a crash at the traffic lights.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What the f—
For some reason, the black car tries to take an exit from a middle lane.
Holy shit! What the fuck?
Here we have a crash between a rental van and a car.
Dude, there's a car in front of them. You f***ing idiots, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. So f***ing dumb. Wow, that was so f***ing stupid.
This is one of those times when I say anything can happen. This guy gets his vision obstructed and nearly gets into a crash.
Please, Brad. The New York Post confirmed that this is the sources. Russia has done this.
This is a good example on why they say you should never overtake or make U-turns on corners. Next, we have an unfair match of car versus motorbike. Good thing there was clear space and the camera driver has good reactions in this clip. Finally, why you have to always be aware when driving in the rain, as you could hydroplane at any moment. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, follow, and turn notifications on for next time.